What is up, Math Crazy fans? Today we got a banger. Happy Sunday to all of you. This is an AMC problem. This is AMC 2019 12A, problem number 15. Deals with logarithms. This is a really fun problem. I love this problem, so let's get straight into it. This says log A plus root log A plus root log B plus log root A plus log root B equals 100. And these are our 5 answers we can choose from. Okay, wow. How are we going to do this? Well, of course, all of A and B will be, because none of these logs can be like, anything like too crazy. So all these numbers are going to have to be 10 to the x power. And x is going to have to be a square number. And x is going to also have to be an even number. Because when we take, like say we take the square root of 10 to the 15, that doesn't really work, right? That'd be 10 to the 7.5. And that's not a whole number. And these, yeah. So we are going to have 10 to the x. And x equals square that looks like a T, sorry. And it has to be even. Okay, x is a square and it's even. Okay, what next? So, what are even squares that we can choose from? Because we're going to have to kind of list them, right? Well, let's start. 4, 16, 36, 64, 100, 144, 196. And above that, we just be above like our highest possible answer, because remember, what we got to do is take AB, and if we're just thinking about it in terms of the evidence, the exponents, we're going to want A plus B, because the properties of exponents say that, like, if I take like 10 to the 10 squared and I multiply it by 10 to the third, that's not going to be 10 to the 3 times 2, it's going to be 10 to the 3 plus 2. Okay? So these are numbers we can choose from. Now we got to make these numbers. Well, we can make it by doing 16 and 36. We'll make this 16, 36. Okay? You can make 100. Well, 36 and 64. 144. Well, these have to be positive integers. That says it in the problem. So 144, 0. Don't think that's gonna work. I'm not really feeling any other ones right now. 110 to the 164. Well, we have 64 and 100. And as for 10 to the 200, we have 100 and 100. Because there's no rule saying these can't be equal. And then we have 4 times, and 4 and 1, not 169, but 196. That also satisfies this 200 thing. Okay. Now which one of these is going to work? Well, usually I find when we have like things like this we got to test out, it's best to start in the middle. So let's start in the middle. Because then we can see, like, okay, are we too high or too low? So 64 and 100. Well, square root of log of 10 to the 64 is going to be 8. And that's going to be 10. So we've got 18 so far. Log of the root of A, so log of 10 to the 32 is going to be 32. So we're at 50 right now. And then take that, we got 100 over 2. That's going to be another 50, so we're going to be at 100. Wow. So it looks like this time we got a little bit lucky. And we can say that these are the two exponents. and therefore these, of course, add up to 164, which is, again, properties of exponents. If we take 10 to the 64 multiplied by 10 to the 100, we'll get 10 to the 164. So that is our answer. Thanks for watching, Math Made Easy fans.